Have you ever looked in the mirror from the side and thought, wow, my arms are finally getting huge, only to turn completely forward and watch your biceps completely disappear? It's incredibly frustrating. But look, it is not your genetics, and doing more standard bicep curls won't fix it. There is a hidden, underlying muscle hiding right under your bicep that you are completely ignoring. And it's the exact reason your arms lack that 3D wide look. And hey, if you don't have heavy dumbbells or can't afford expensive gym fees, don't worry. In this video, I've included the exact ways to do these same exercises right at home or at an outdoor park. Make sure you stay until exercise number 5 because it uses a bizarre grip modification that unlocks a 20% deeper muscle contraction you've probably never felt before. Exercise 1, the heavy hammer curl. How it works. Built for brute force. Keep palms facing each other in a neutral grip. Grab heavy dumbbells. Use slight controlled momentum on the way up, but control it tightly on the way down. Fill a heavy backpack with books or rocks. Hold the side handles and curl it aggressively toward your chest. Exercise 2, the cross body curl. How it works. Dragging the weight across your chest shuts off forearm dominance and forces the brachialis to do 100% of the work. Hold dumbbells, keep your arm tight to your torso, and bring the weight up toward your opposite shoulder. Step on a thick resistance band, hold it with an overhand grip, and pull it diagonally across your body. Exercise 3, the reverse grip curl. How it works. Turning your palms completely down disables the main bicep, forcing the brachialis and upper forearm to build massive thickness together. Use an EZ bar or straight barbell. Keep your elbows strictly pinned to your sides. Find a sturdy broomstick or metal park bar. Loop 2 loaded grocery bags or water jugs on the ends and execute slow, controlled reps. Exercise 4, neutral grip pull-ups/inverted rows. How it works. Pulling your own weight with a narrow neutral grip forces the outer arm muscles to stabilize your entire torso. Head to a pull-up bar. Use a neutral grip, palms facing each other, and drive your elbows straight down. Slide under a sturdy dining table. Grab the edge with an overhand grip, keep your feet on the floor, and pull your chest tightly to the tabletop. Now for the final secret that ties this whole formula together. Exercise 5, the thumbless hammer movement, the secret. Take your thumb out from around the handle and place it on the same side as your fingers, a thumbless or suicide grip. This stops you from squeezing too hard, completely eliminating forearm recruitment and shifting 20% more tension directly onto the brachialis. Use a rope attachment on a cable machine at a preacher bench with a thumbless grip. Wrap a thick towel around a heavy water jug or a tree branch. Grab the towel ends with your thumbless grip and perform ultra-slow lowerings. Hit this width routine twice a week. Stop focusing only on the side view. Start building that front thickness and watch your arms look absolutely massive from every single angle.